Today on Project Turbo Daily, I will be installing Mega Chip Mud Flap. Due to the wider tires and wheels we've chosen for this car, we are now adding Mega Chip mud flaps, as they will protect the car. As you can maybe see, a little splatter is coming up on the sides here. On the rear, they appear to not stick out quite as far, but it will still protect it right in here because they make it come down more square. They're going to be very easy to put on. Looks like up here in the front, you'll have a couple push pins, 1, 2, and 3. One of these has a screw in the center of it, this push pin here. And then it also has double-sided sticky tape. On the rear, they just kind of stick on this part of the flap here, part of the inside here. In the kit, you will get new plastic push pins for the front up here. This is a front chip guard, and these are the rear chip guards. As you can see, like I was stating, there is no push clips. It just double sides on, so we'll have to clean that area really good. Since I've added the OEM side skirts, I can't remember if the factory body clipper here had a screw in it or not, but it now does because of the OEM side skirts, I believe. That's very hard to get in. When you get that in, and then we pulled these out all the way so we could get more coverage. It's got a little slit like on the bottom two. The top one is just square. It's just a circle, I mean. So we pulled those out. We used the new clips up here that they gave us because they're a little bit longer to go for these. But this is very hard to get in. It was for us. This one was, because we wanted to use the one with the screw to match up for this, because it's probably going to grip better. So it's just common sense how to put these in, the front ones on. Okay, so the lighting ain't very good here, but they gave you these alcohol prep pads here with the kit. They give you about 8 of them, I think. And first I cleaned in here with some window cleaner of some sort. Doesn't matter what kind you use. That's the kind I got free given at a car show. And then after you get that cleaned, then you'll rub your alcohol and wipe that off with some paper towel. Then you'll rub these, about half of these that they gave you, 4 of these on here, cleaning it all up so it's real clean and smooth. Do not touch it with your hands as they have oils in them. And then after that, they give you this prep pad here. So I'm going to rub the prep pad on. And as you can see, there's a thin area here where the body panel is. We don't want this to be on the body panel. We want all this to be on the fender liner and the bottom thing here. And then you'll just rub it kind of all over. If you rub a little too far in, it doesn't matter. Or a little too far out, it doesn't matter. I'm going to rub with both sides here. Doesn't feel like there's nothing on this pad. I'm not sure what this pad is. It's not the normal alcohol, or not the normal adhesion promoter by 3M I've ever used. Those are usually like a little real thin white looking sponge. So I'm just going to peel back a little bit here so I can line it up here. And then we got to line it up down here too. Again, the lighting ain't too good here, but you'll probably get the idea here. And then we'll just pull the rest of this guy off because it's too hard to get at. Because I should have shoved it out over here. Got to think smarter, not harder. Okay. There we go. We'll just pull this bad boy down here. Making sure that we're lining up the tape with the edge of the thing here. So that it's not on this, the tape's all on the fender liner. The 3M tape. And then just rub it back and forth pretty good here. You're going to want to line the bottom up here with the bottom of your panel here, because that's what the instructions show. So it won't quite meet the factory flare thing here. Rub it back and forth a bit if you want. If you're in a colder day, you can get your hair dryer or your heat gun out. Just do it on a low if it's a heat gun, because it could melt your body panel. A hair dryer would be a little safer. And these are the back panels. I guess that's common sense. I didn't say they was when we first started here. That's pretty much it for now. So all in all, this is a fairly easy product to install. You may have seen that I have these on my ND Miata as well. That's where I got the idea to buy this brand again. So I went with the Mega Chips because they're really minimalistic. You really have to look to see them. So this is the rear view of them. I think they're pretty minimalistic here. I mean, we are looking for them, so we're going to see them. They do cover the car very well. They're not big and gaudy like those rally armors. This is not a rally car. We're going for looks, and that's not the look that we like. If you like that look, it's good for you. You can see the front one here. It's kind of hard to see at a distance, but it does look very good on the car, and these do hold up and last. Like I said, I have these on my ND Miata as well. That's going to conclude today's video. I would like to thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe. Have a great week.